Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore deal sourcing with Fundrise brokerage insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore deal sourcing with Fundrise brokerage insights, start by familiarizing yourself with the Fundrise platform. Log into your Fundrise account using your credentials. Navigate to the Insights section on the dashboard. Explore the available resources and tools within this section. Look for the latest data and analytics on real estate opportunities. Analyze the trends in various markets that Fundrise highlights. Pay attention to performance metrics of different real estate assets. Take note of the featured projects that Fundrise currently offers. Review the investor reports provided by Fundrise for a comprehensive understanding. Utilize the filters to narrow down projects based on your investment preferences. Consider your risk tolerance while assessing potential deals. Make a list of projects that align with your investment goals. Conduct further research on the properties that interest you. Check for any historical performance data associated with those projects. Examine the management teams behind the properties for credibility and track record. Join community discussions or forums related to Fundrise for insights from other investors. Stay updated with any webinars or presentations offered by Fundrise. Review the FAQs and support resources available for clarification on deal sourcing. Once you identify a project of interest, analyze the investment structure and terms. Make informed decisions based on your findings and personal financial situation. Finally, proceed to invest in the projects that align with your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.